In this video, I'm going to show you how to record screen on Windows 10, and let's go. First, you want to open up your browser and go to Google and then search for OBS. Click the first link in. Now, this will get you to open broadcaster software, OBS. That's exactly what we want. Click that link, and now you're on obsproject.com, which is a free software to live stream and record your screen. If you don't have this yet, you want to click Windows and download it for Windows 10. Once you have that installed, you can go back and open it up, and it will look like this. Now this is the exact program I use to record this video at the moment, as you can see on the right here. Stop recording. Now I'm currently recording my screen using this, but in order to do that, you would need to add a scene by clicking the plus button, naming it, and then you need to add sources to it. You can do that by clicking the plus icon, and then you have all these options. Now, if you want to record your screen, click display capture. There we go. Now you can name it. Let's say how to global record screen. Now hit OK, and now you can choose. If you have several, you can choose which display you want to use, or if you only have one, it will only give you one. You can tick this if you want them to record the cursor as well. Click OK, and as you can see, we're now on the how to global record screen. If I go back to this one, it's the same. Here you can see my logo in the top right. It doesn't work at the moment. And that's it. You can now click record. And an important part is settings by clicking in the bottom right on settings. And then you can see video. This is all. I currently can't change it because I'm currently using it. But you can change everything here. Base scale, which is the resolution of your screen, and then what you want to record at. The FPS number, you can change the audio. You can have output. For me, the encoder is NVIDIA NVEC H264, which is new. Under recording, you can use your recording path to where you want to save the files. You can choose the control rate and all these good things. And that's it. That's how to record screen on Windows 10 in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.